Hey guys, it's Fauna. I'm gonna show you how I do my braid out. So my hair is freshly washed, conditioned. I did a deep conditioner. There's nothing in it. I'm gonna use Curl Love Moisture Milk by Camille Rose. It smells incredible. Is it edible? She's not edible, but you're gonna feel edible when you put it in your hair. Okay. Even though you think you're gonna put this mountain of conditioner and your hair will be even shinier and smoother, no, you don't want to overdo it to where the product is not even being absorbed and it's just laying on top of the hair like this. So I'm gonna start with this. I know what you're thinking. That is not enough. I know that, but I'm gonna see where this goes, and then I'll add some more. Okay.
You're trying to make me do the most. You think that's okay? Hurry up and text me back. I don't got all day. No. And I choose you anyway.
Camille Rose, Curl Love Moisture Milk. I'm doing a braid out and I'm wearing this with the intention to sleep on it, let it dry, and then undo it either in the morning or in the afternoon, depending on how long it takes to dry. They're not gonna be perfect braids. That's not my goal. I'm not gonna part and get a comb and all of that. No, I ain't got time. One thing that I like to do is set up my queendom. What that is I'll have my little movie or something going. I have my little snack or drink, whatever I want. I make sure the space around me is comfortable. Whatever you decide that routine is, make sure that it's something comfortable where you look forward to that time. If it feels like a chore, you're gonna despise doing it, have like a negative connotation with doing your hair. So setting up your queendom or kingdom or palace, royal space. And I got my little sound, my little bow.
Previously on How to Get Away with Murder.
Tell us what happened.
Tell him that I'll get his.
As I go through, I'm going to add a little bit more product to each section. I do have one clip hanging on strong. I stopped buying these because I lose them left and right. Here we go, let's braid.
And I choose you any day. No one knows I feel this way. No one in this world. There's no one in this world, baby. Baby. There's no one in this world. No one in this world. It's calling me up, but we tried it. Calling me up, but we validated. 'Cause you really get me, baby. 'Cause you really get me, baby. He stayed blowing up my phone, said he called by mistake.
Okay, I'm braided up. Quick little braid. That took me about 1 hour. Black women have a sixth sense that goes off when our scarf comes off in the night. So again, this was Curl Love Moisture Milk. I added a little bit to each braid as I went through, very little. I just dipped. Whoop. Tomorrow we will let it out and I'll let you see what it looks like. Rise and shine, rise and grind. Ready for the takedown. Let's get it. So as you can see, my braids are dry. So I'm just gonna unbraid, starting with the ends. I just go section by section, unbraiding. And as you can see, there's a nice little pattern.
There's no one in this world, baby. Baby. There's no one in this world. No one in this world.
A braid out, I have not fluffed. My favorite part is the fluff. Wherever I braided thick, which is the front, I like to divide those. So like right here, I'll go like that, and like that, just a few. I just divide the big strands. Okay, go around, just go around the head and find anybody that's like a group, a clump like that, a team. Gonna break the team up. Sorry, team. So you can see it's already getting a little more volume. Next, what I like to do is you can either do this with a wide tooth comb. I use my hands. You go in from the root, and you kind of detangle a little bit, but stop, just the root. Okay, so I'm gonna do that all the way around. I'm gonna go in like that. I'm gonna wiggle around, come about, what is that, an inch, 2, I don't know, and then leave like it never was there. I still like to have that little definition on the tips, so I only go about halfway. So I go in, fluff, 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 out, in, fluff, 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 out, all the way around, especially this part. We've all seen the fro that's like a fro from the front, and then you turn to the side and it's like, you can have to refluff this back part. This is the part that I like to go in and up. I actually go up. Okay, or maybe even forward.
It's calling me up, but we vibing, babe. 'Cause you really get me, babe. He thinks I'm cute, little Casey. Calling me, talking about, don't nothing he say really faze me. No one in this world, there's no one in this world, baby. Baby. All these boys in my DMs, but I don't want a single one of them. Checking my phone to see if it's you.
So I'm gonna wear her like this. Successful braid out. Thank you, Camille Rose. Curl Love, Moisture Milk, leave-in conditioner. That's all that's in my hair right now. I'm gonna rock this probably for like 2 or 3 days, and at night I'll just literally put a scarf around it. If I need to refresh, I'll add a little water and conditioner and just do my braid out again. So that's my process. Thanks for watching. Support Camille Rose, get some of these products. This is just one of many, many wonderful products that they have. Happy to say I love this one. Yes, thanks for watching.